Hi, I'm Bridget, and I'm going to be your occupational therapy assistant student today, and we're going to be doing muscle grade testing. So today we're going to be focusing on your wrist extension and wrist flexion. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is your wrist extension. So you're going to be pulling your hand back in this direction. So I'm going to be stabilizing here on your forearm, and then what I want you to do is I want you to bring your hand and touch mine. Good. Okay, so you can go ahead and relax. So now you can go ahead and bring your hand up to mine again. And then I am going to provide some resistance, so I want you to fight the resistance of me pushing your hand down. Okay, ready? Great. So that's a muscle grade of 5. We're going to do it again. I'm going to provide resistance. And then if you give me little resistance, then that's a muscle grade of 4. And then go ahead again, and then if you provide no resistance, that's a muscle grade of 3. Now, if you have trouble in not being able to bring your hand up to mine, that's okay. So now we're going to put you in a decreased gravitational plane. So I'm going to have your forehand in neutral position, and then what I want you to do is I want you to bring your fingers back to try to touch mine. Good. So that is a grade level of 2. And then if you can't do that, then what I'll try to do is palpate your extensors and see if you have any contraction. If you have little contraction, that's a grade level of 1. And no contraction is a grade level of 0. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a flexion. So I am going to bring your hand in this position. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stable again your forearm, and then I want you to bring your hand up to try to touch mine. Good. So you have your full range of motion for your flexion. So you're going to go ahead and bring it up again. Now I'm going to provide a little bit of resistance again. So I want you to try to push that resistance so I can't push you to the table. Good. So that's a muscle grade of 5. If you can only bring a little moderate resistance, that's a muscle grade of 4. And then if you bring it up again, no resistance is a grade level of 3. So now, if you cannot have that and you can't do that motion, you're going to try to bring your fingers and try to touch my hand. So this is in our decreased gravitational plane. So go ahead and see if you can bring your fingers to mine. Good. So that's a muscle grade level of 2. And then go ahead, if you can't do it, then you have a muscle grade of 1. But I'm going to see if you have contraction in your flexors. With a little contraction, it's a muscle grade of 1. With no contraction, it's a muscle grade of 0. Thank you.